Okay, we are going to do a little medical math. So, I've been sick. I've been starting to take some medicine. But as I reached the end of one bottle, I said to myself, that's just not right. So, I will show you what I'm talking about. Okay, just whatever. It's just generic medicine. So, the bottle is 118 milliliter, 4 fluid ounces. The dose is, yeah, it's going to focus. Okay, 20 milliliters every 4 hours. Okay, so the bottle is 118. The dose is 20. Here's the cup. It's already pre-measured, right? It will focus soon. Okay, so I wanted to know, as I got to the end of the bottle, I said to myself, that's just not right. So, do you know what I'm seeing? Okay, here we go. 118 milliliters in the bottle. A dose is 20 milliliters. How many doses are in one bottle? So, this is how I did this calculation. 118 in the bottle, 20 per dose. I ended up with 5 doses, 18 over 20, right? My remainder is 18 over 20. Divide each of those by 2, then I'm at 9 over 10. So I have 5 doses and 9/10 of a dose. Does that make sense to you? 5 doses at 20 milliliters. The final dose in the bottle, not even a complete dose, 18 of 20. So in a way, I get 5 full doses and then a fraction of a dose at the end. A little frustrating, right? It's not like I made this up. The bottle was sold 118, 20 in a dose. So I ask you now, why does this happen? And how about this? We'll end this with another question. How many more milliliters will I need to complete the final dose? Just throw that out there. I'm not trying to catch you off guard, but all right, that's all I wanted to share. Thanks. Bye.